The keto diet has become one of the most popular methods worldwide to shed excess weight and improve health. The ketogenic diet, or keto diet, for short, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that offers many health benefits. A study in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism reports that those following a well-formulated keto diet typically consume under 50 grams of carbs and approximately 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Here is a detailed information about keto diet. What is keto diet? Ketogenic is a term for a low-carb diet, like the Atkins diet. It involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. This reduction in carbs puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. While in ketosis, your body uses ketones molecules produced in the liver from fats when glucose is limited as an alternate fuel source, which can supply energy for the brain. According to a 2012 study, a keto diet reduces blood sugar, insulin levels, and waist circumference. Plus, keto diets reduce hunger and increase satiety, which can be particularly helpful when trying to lose weight. Different types of ketogenic diets. Number 1. Standard ketogenic diet or SKD. This is a very low-carb, moderate protein, and high-fat diet. It typically contains 70 to 75% fat, 20% protein, and about 5 to 10% carbs. In terms of grams per day, a typical standard ketogenic diet would be 20 to 50 grams of carbohydrate, 40 to 60 grams of protein. No set limit for fat, vary significantly from person to person. Number 2. Well-formulated ketogenic diet or WFKD. The WFKD, which comes from Steve Phinney, one of the leading researchers into ketogenic diets, means that the macronutrients of fat, protein and carbohydrate meet the ratios of the standard ketogenic diet and therefore provide the best chance of ketosis occurring. Number 3. Cyclical ketogenic diet or CKD. The CKD diet, also known as carb backloading, involves days in which more carbs are eaten, such as 5 ketogenic days followed by 2 higher carb days. Number 4. Targeted ketogenic diet or TKD. It is a compromise between a standard ketogenic diet and a cyclical ketogenic diet that allows you to consume carbohydrates any day you exercise. Number 5. High protein ketogenic diet. This diet includes more protein than a standard ketogenic diet, with a ratio of 35% protein, 60% fat, and 5% carbs. Research suggests that a high-protein ketogenic is effective for weight loss in people that need to lose weight. Number 6. MCT ketogenic diet. This follows the outline of standard ketogenic diet but has a focus on using medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, to provide much of the fat content of the diet. However, only the standard and high-protein ketogenic diets have been studied extensively. Cyclical or targeted ketogenic diets are more advanced methods and primarily used by bodybuilders or athletes. Can ketogenic diet help you lose weight? A ketogenic diet may help you lose more weight in the first 3 to 6 months than some other diets. More than 30 high-quality scientific studies show that, compared to other diets, low-carb and keto diets result in more effective weight loss. One study found that people on a ketogenic diet lost 2.2 times more weight than those on a calorie-restricted low-fat diet. Triglyceride and HDL cholesterol levels also improved. Fat burning is significantly increased, while insulin, the fat-storing hormone, levels drop greatly. This appears to make it far easier for body fat loss to occur, without hunger. In a 2013 meta-analysis of 13 different randomized controlled trials, researchers found that people following ketogenic diets lost 2 pounds more than those following low-fat diets over 1 year. Similarly, another review of 11 studies demonstrated that people following a ketogenic diet lost 5 pounds more than those following low-fat diets after 6 months. Other health benefits of keto. Keto diet is not only effective for weight loss but has lots of other benefits. Number 1. Heart disease. The ketogenic diet can control body fat, cholesterol levels, blood pressure and blood sugar. That means you're less likely to have high blood pressure, hardened arteries, heart failure, and other heart conditions. Number 2. Cancer. Researchers have examined the effects of the ketogenic diet in helping prevent or even treat certain cancers. One study found that the ketogenic diet may be a safe and suitable complementary treatment to use alongside chemotherapy and radiation therapy in people with certain cancers. Number 3. Diabetes and prediabetes. Ketogenic diet is excellent for managing type 2 diabetes, sometimes even leading to complete reversal of the disease. It makes perfect sense since keto lowers blood sugar levels, reduces the need for medications, and reduces the potentially negative impact of high insulin levels, as well as reversing prediabetes. Number 4. Epilepsy. The ketogenic diet is a proven and often effective medical therapy for epilepsy that has been used since the 1920s. Traditionally it was used primarily for children, but in recent years adults have benefited from it as well. Number 5. Polycystic ovary syndrome. Polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, is a hormonal disorder that can lead to excess male hormones, ovulatory dysfunction, and polycystic ovaries. The ketogenic diet can help reduce insulin levels, which may play a key role in polycystic ovary syndrome. Number 6. Brain injuries. Some studies, such as this 2019 review, suggest the ketones that generate during the keto diet provide neuroprotective benefits, which means they can strengthen and protect the brain and nerve cells. Number 7. Alzheimer's disease. While a ketogenic diet can indeed provide a non-glucose source of energy for the brain, and ketones may have potential to affect the pathogenesis of Alzheimer's disease, there are metabolic costs and nutrient sacrifices associated with this method. Number 8. Acne. Carbohydrates have been linked to this skin condition, so cutting down on them may help. And the drop in insulin that a ketogenic diet can trigger may also help stop acne breakouts. Side effects of keto diet. Although keto diet is safe for healthy people, but there are a few well-known side effects of the keto diet, some of which can be unpleasant. One of the most immediate side effects of the keto diet is the keto flu, a suite of symptoms that many experience in the first couple weeks after entering ketosis. Similar to the flu, these symptoms can include fatigue, brain fog, dizziness, vomiting and stomach pain. Another side effect is constipation. A 2015 study involving children on the keto diet showed that regular constipation was extremely common among participants, affecting about 65% of them. A ketogenic diet can also change the water and mineral balance of your body. How to minimize these side effects? These side effects are short-term for most people, and there are ways to minimize or cure them. To minimize keto flu, you can try a regular low-carb diet for the first few weeks. This may teach your body to burn more fat before you completely eliminate carbs. Adding extra salt to your meals or taking mineral supplements can help you to balance water and mineral of your body. For minerals, try taking 3,000 to 4,000 mg of sodium, 1,000 mg of potassium and 300 mg of magnesium per day to minimize side effects. For a proper keto diet meal plan for you, click on the link given in the description. If this video is helpful for you, then share it with your friends, click on the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Perfectly Healthy.